I'm Vijay Santhanam. I'm a managing director in Deloitte Supply Chain Practice, and I work a lot of my projects with Siemens. Most of our clients are facing three major challenges today when it comes from the business side. Number one, they have to launch their products much faster to the market. At the same time, they have to launch the product with a high quality. And the third thing is at reduced cost. At Deloitte, we work with clients across major sectors, major industries, and you compare the challenges that they are facing from the execution standpoint, it comes across as in four different angles. Number one, process standardization. Most of our clients have grown by acquisition and rapid growth in certain sectors. They have kind of used processes that works for one area and not standardized across industry or execution-wise. The second is technology. Especially in the manufacturing side, they have used, by plant, they have different technology landscape and homegrown solution and huge technology debt. And the third thing is skill set itself, where there's aging workforce, but also they want to train their folks within engineering and manufacturing on the advancements that has happened in the technology. So there is a huge technology skill set gap. And the last one is, how do you monetize the data itself? Especially on the manufacturing side, you are creating a lot of data. How do you monetize it such a way that you are using the data for advanced capabilities like machine learning, AI, Gen AI, so on and so forth. And most of our clients are on the journey of digital transformation now, and they are asking us, Deloitte and Siemens, to come and do an assessment and create a roadmap and get them much faster towards the digital transformation.
Hi, my name's Kenneth Norton. I'm a managing director in Deloitte Supply Chain Practice. One of the challenges that we see our clients face when they're trying to work through a manufacturing transformation is the challenge of different plants in their network having different heritages, different legacies, different sets of technologies, processes, and ways of working. And so one of the things that we work through with our clients and help them work through is identifying patterns of commonality for them to be able to harmonize their business processes and lead with a business process-led approach to help establish the common ways of working that then can be translated back into enabling technologies. We've got different accelerators that we use to help our clients through that transformation journey, including a set of process models and starting points for technology integrations that help the clients work through establishing those common ways of working among their teams, share best practices, and establish a vision for how they're going to go and implement change across the plants in their network. Starting with that goal of harmonization up front and how we were going to connect the digital thread from engineering all the way through manufacturing and enable the teams across all of the various functions in the plant to work better helps build momentum and excitement and enthusiasm around adopting new ways of working and investment in the people and the plants themselves. We find that doing this and spending that time up front really helps pave the way for change and embracing adoption of the new ways of working.
Within Deloitte, we have built the accelerators by industry and by sector. We call it as the industry print, where we have the predefined business processes for that particular industry. And then we partnered with Siemens and we aligned our business processes for their innovative products. For example, on engineering side, we took our engineering business processes and we pre-configured Teamcenter and created Deloitte pre-configured version called DPLM. On the manufacturing side, we took our business processes and we pre-configured Siemens Ops Center and we made DMES, which stands for Deloitte Pre-Configured MES Solution. And we can showcase those two live for our clients at our Smart Factory so that they can realize, touch and feel the end-to-end digital thread and accelerate their digital transformation.